फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू यूट्यूब चैनल बीइंग इंजीनियर। तो दोस्तों, आज से हम बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल इस सब्जेक्ट पर एमसीक्यू स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। ठीक है, हमने बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स पर 300 एमसीक्यू क्विक रिवीजन में कंप्लीट कर लिए। ओके, तो अगर आपने वो वीडियो देखी नहीं है तो आप वीडियो देख सकते हो। ठीक है, प्लेलिस्ट में जाके। तो अभी हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन। ठीक है, बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन पर हम 100 क्वेश्चन क्विकली करेंगे। ओके और अगर कोई क्वेश्चन नया है तो हम उसे अच्छे से एक बार देख लेंगे। ठीक है, मैं वहाँ पर अपनी स्पीड थोड़ी स्लो कर लूँगा जिससे कि आप उसे याद कर सकते हैं। तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। कास्ट आयरन पाइल्स, ऑप्शन डी, आर यूजफुल फॉर हेवी वर्टिकल लोड्स। द formwork from the base slabs excluding props can be removed only after option B 4 days. The process of filling hollow spaces of walls before plastering is known as option B dubbing out. The process of filling hollow spaces of walls before plastering is known as option B dubbing out. The type of arch generally constructed over a wooden lintel or over a flat arch for the purpose of carrying the load of the wall above is ऑप्शन सी रिलीविंग आर्च। ओके, आर्चेस का लेक्चर हमने डिस्क्रिप्टिव लिया है दोस्तों, तो आप इस क्वेश्चन के लिए उस लेक्चर को रेफर कर सकते हो। The platform at the end of a series of steps is known as option D landing. The pile which supports the load due to friction between the pile face and surrounding soil is generally known as option B friction pile. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A mortar joint having a concave finishing in a brick masonry is called keyed joint. Keyed joint. A mortar joint projecting beyond the face of a masonry wall is called tuck joint. Tuck joint. A mortar joint having a recess in it is called ruled joint. ओके, तो ऑप्शन डी ऑल दी अबव। दोस्तों, आपने जॉइंट्स अगर अच्छी तरह से डिस्क्रिप्टिव देखने हैं तो हमने ब्रिक मैसनरी वर्क में जॉइंट्स को अच्छी तरह से डिटेल में देखा है। इसी तरह से अगर आप स्टोन मैसनरी वर्क के बारे में जानना चाहते हो तो उस पर भी डिस्क्रिप्टिव लेक्चर अवेलेबल है। ओके, द टाइप ऑफ रूफ विच स्लोप्स इन टू डायरेक्शंस विथ ए ब्रेक इन अ स्लोप ऑन ईच साइड इज नोन एज ऑप्शन जी गैमरेल रूफ। गैमरेल रूफ। ओके, और दोस्तों ये क्वेश्चन काफ़ी बार पूछा गया है। द inclined surface of an abutment to receive the arch is known as option A skew back. Skew back. Pick up the correct statement from the following. DPC should be continuous. DPC should be of good impervious material. DPC may be horizontal or vertical. Option D all the above. So correct is option D. A wall constructed with the stones to protect slopes of cuttings in natural ground from the action of weathering agents is called option B braced wall. A wall constructed with the stones to protect slopes of cuttings in natural ground from the action of weathering agents is called option B braced wall. Higher pitch of the roof, option A means results in stronger roof and requires more covering material. So option A 1 and 3 is correct. For different layers of cement concrete floor, pick up the incorrect statement from the following. The lowest layer consists of consolidated ground. A 10 cm thick clean sand is laid on a consolidated ground. A 10 cm lime concrete of proportion 1:4:8 is laid on clean sand. So these statements are correct. The incorrect statement is a 10 cm thick cement concrete of 1:2:4 is laid on a top layer is incorrect. Open test pit is only suitable up to a depth of option C 3 meter. Open test pit is only suitable up to a depth of 3 meters. The service area in a building means the area occupied by stairs, toilets, and light and shafts. So option D is correct. The number of steps in a flight generally should not be less than option B 3. The column of multi-storied buildings are designed to withstand the forces due to dead load, live load, and wind load. So option D is correct. In soil possessing low bearing capacity, the type of foundation generally provided is option D, means column footing, grillage footing, and raft footing. All the above are correct. The minimum strength of the mortar used in load bearing brick masonry is option B 100 Newton per centimeter square. As compared to stretcher cores, the thickness of joints in header cores should be option A less. To obtain good bonding in a brick masonry, option D first class bricks are used. Vertical joints in alternate courses are kept in a plumb line. Bats are used where necessary. So all the above are correct. The type of pointing in which upper side of mortar joint is kept about 12 mm inside the face of the masonry and bottom is kept flush with the face of wall is option C struck pointing. Struck pointing. The wedge-shaped bricks forming an arch ring are called ऑप्शन बी वैसॉइड्स. ठीक है, तो हमने आर्चेस के कंपोनेंट्स अच्छी तरह से देखे थे. तो अगर आप देखना चाहते हो तो उस लेक्चर को ज़रूर रेफ़र कीजिएगा दोस्तों. आपको 1 से 2 क्वेश्चन ज़रूर मिल जाएंगे उसमें से. द मैक्सिमम टोटल सेटलमेंट फॉर आइसोलेटेड फाउंडेशन ऑन क्ले सॉइल शुड बी लिमिटेड टू ऑप्शन सी 65 mm. द मैक्सिमम सेटलमेंट फॉर isolated foundation on clay soil should be limited to 65 mm. The foundation, which consists of a thick reinforced cement slab covering the whole area to support heavy concentrated structural loads, is known as option C raft foundation. For each story of a building, the depth of exploration should be 3 meters. For each story of a building, the depth of exploration should be 3 meters. Pick up the correct statement from the following. The plain cement concrete is equally strong in compression as well as tension. Slump test is performed to check concrete strength. Curing of concrete is done for proper compaction of cement. The fineness modulus is the index number expressing the relative sizes of both coarse and fine aggregate. So option D is correct. The bearing capacity of a waterlogged soil can be improved by option B draining the soil. The position of a brick when laid on its side 9 by 9 cm with its frog in the vertical plane is option B brick on end. The floor constructed with 4 to 6 mm marble chips is known as option B terrazzo floor. A floor constructed with 4 to 6 mm marble chips is known as terrazzo floor. The stair should not have pitch more than option C 40 degree. Depth or height of an arch is option A perpendicular distance between intradoors and extradoors. Pick up the correct statement from the following. The pile driven in the sand is called sand piles. Option A is correct. A wall constructed to resist the pressure of an earth filling is called option A retaining wall. Okay. The pitch and the sloping roofs are suitable for option A coastal region. Okay, pitch and the sloping roofs are suitable for coastal regions. A wooden block hinge on the post outside a door is known as clit. Clit. If A is the offset of a concrete bed in centimeters and D is the depth of concrete bed in centimeters, then option C, depth of concrete bed in centimeter is equal to 0.775 times of offset, which is A. In high mountainous region, the type of roof generally recommended for building is C, gambrel roof, gambrel type. The function of clits in a roof truss is to prevent the purlins from tilting. Okay, the function of clits in a roof truss is to prevent the purlins from tilting. The auger borings are not common in option A in soils that require lateral support. The pile provided with one or more bulls in a vertical shaft is generally known as is option A, under rim piles. Under rim piles. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Isolated footing is provided under the column to transfer the load safely to the soil bed. Column footings may have steps or projections in the concrete base. Heavily loaded column base must be provided steel reinforcement in both directions. So option D, all the above are correct. In any good staircase, the maximum and minimum pitch respectively should be option D, 40 degree is maximum and 25 degree is minimum. The raft foundation are generally preferred to when the area required for individual footing is more than option D, 50% of total area. 50%. According to National Building Code, the hydrants in the water mains is provided at the minimum interval of option C, 75 meter. 75 meter. X-ray rooms are plastered with option B, barium plaster. X-ray rooms are plastered with option B, barium plaster. The type of footing which is used to transmit the heavy loads through the steel column is option B, grillage foundation. Grillage foundation. The Dutch bond is a modification of option A, English bond. English bond. In clay soil, swelling and shrinkage characteristics prevail. Consolidation continues even after several years of construction. Differential settlement is generally prevalent. All the option, so D, all the option are correct. Which of the following activities is not correct as applicable to brick corbels? So option D is not correct. That means A, B, C are correct. So the maximum projection of the corbel should not be more than the thickness of wall. The maximum projection of each corbel course should be limited to quarter brick at a time, and the discontinuous corbel are used to carry heavy concentrated loads. Okay. In ordinary residential and public buildings, the damp proof course is generally provided at option B, plinth level. Okay, plinth level. In which of the following pairs both trees yield softwood? So option D, cheer and devdar, both the trees yield softwood. The raft slab is projected beyond the outer wall of the structure by option D, 30 to 45 centimeter. The raft slab is projected beyond the outer walls of the structure by 30 to 45 centimeter. In grillage foundations, distance between flanges of grillage beam is kept option C, twice the flange width. Twice the flange width. Sill of a common wooden partition is option B, lower horizontal wooden member. The sill of a common wooden partition is lower horizontal wooden member. Okay friends, the important test to be conducted on a stone used in a docks and harbor is option C, weight test. The important test to be conducted on a stone used in docks and harbor is weight test. The member which is placed horizontally to support common rafter of a sloping roof is option A, purlin. The member which is placed horizontally to support common rafter of a sloping roof is purlin. A cover of concrete placed on the exposed top of an external wall is known as option B, coping. The bond in which headers and stretchers are laid in alternate courses and every stretcher course is started with 3/4 brickbat is known as option B, Dutch bond. The vertical distance between the springing line and the highest point of inner curve of an arch is called as option B, rise. Okay, the vertical distance between the springing line and the highest point on inner curve, okay, is called rise. Okay, the entrant concrete is used in lining walls and roofs for option D, heat insulation and sound insulation. Okay, the depth of concrete bed of the foundation depends upon the projection of the concrete block beyond the footing over it, the upward soil pressure and the mix of the concrete. ठीक है, all the above are correct. A pre-stressed concrete pile is easy to handle, light in weight, extremely durable. So option D, all the above are correct. The type of joint commonly used at the junction of principal rafter and tie beam in a timber truss is option B, oblique mortise and tenon joint. The type of joint commonly used at the junction of principal rafter and tie beam in the timber trusses is oblique mortise and tenon joint. During percussion drilling, the groundwater observation are hindered due to entry of the slurry in the soil below the bottom of the hole. Caving or mixing of the strata are caused in the soft soil or cohesionless soils. The soil at the considerable depth below the bottom of the hole get disturbed. So all the above are correct. The type of stone masonry in which stone of same height are laid in layers is called option B, कोर्स रबल मैसनरी. ठीक है दोस्तों, तो हमने कोर्स रबल, रैंडम रबल सभी के बारे में अच्छे से देखा है. तो आप स्टोन मैसनरी पर हमारा लेक्चर डिस्क्रिप्टिव देख सकते हो. अ वुडन ब्लॉक फिक्स ऑन बैक साइड ऑफ डोर फ्रेम on its post is known as option B, stop. In a collar beam roof, option C, there is horizontal tie at almost the middle of rafters only. ठीक है. The pieces of brick cut with one corner equivalent to half the breadth and half the length of a brick is called option C, king closer. For effective drainage, the finished surface of flat roof should have minimum slope of option A, 1:20. Vertical construction joints are provided where the shearing force are minimum in case of option D, means slabs, beams and girders. Single Flemish bond consists of double Flemish bond facing and English bond backing in each course. Okay. The foundation are placed below the ground level to increase stability of structure. The type of bond in a brick masonry containing alternate courses of stretchers and headers is called option B, English bond. The width of hollow space between two walls of a cavity wall should not exceed option C, 10 cm. The width of hollow space between the two walls of cavity walls should not exceed 10 cm. The predominant constituent which is responsible for strength in a granite is option A, quartz. To ensure that supporting area of an offset footing of a boundary wall is fully compressive, the center of gravity of load must act at option B, within the middle third of base. The size of floor tile commonly used is 15 centimeter by 15 by 1.8 centimeter, 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter by 2 centimeter, 22.5 centimeter by 22.5 centimeter by 2.2 centimeter. So all the are correct. The art of bringing the floor to a two-level surface by means of screed is called option C, screeding. The type of roof suitable in the plains where rainfall is major and temperature is high is option B, flat roof. Flat roof. For constructing a terrace floor, pick up the incorrect statement. Option B is incorrect. So a base course is prepared as in a cement concrete flooring. C, glass strips are driven into the layer according to the pattern required, and after final grinding is over, oxalic acid mixed with water is sprayed over and rubbed hard with a soft material. So option B is incorrect. The arrangement made to support an unsafe structure temporarily is known as option A, shoring. Okay. The arrangement made to support an unsafe structure temporarily is known as shoring. The type of pointing in which V-shaped projection outside the wall surface is provided is called option B, weather pointing. Okay. Assertion is shisham is used for decorative woodwork, and reason is shisham can be polished to an excellent finish. So option A is correct. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation for A. Rotary drilling, option D, means it is not suitable for deposit containing very coarse gravel, hinders the groundwater observation and permeability test, is not economical for holes of less than 10 centimeter. So D is correct. Safe bearing capacity of black cotton soil varies from 5 to 7.5 tons per meter square. Okay, one of the asked question, friends. Safe bearing capacity of black cotton soil varies from 5 to 7.5 ton per meter square. The window which projects outside a room of a building for admitting more light and air is known as option A, bay window. Bay window. In the construction of arches, sandbox method is used for option C, striking of centering. In English garden wall bond, one course of header to 3 to 5 courses of structure are used. Queen closure is provided in each heading course. The middle course of structure is started with a header to give proper vertical joint. Okay. Then next is the concrete slump recommended for foundation is 50 to 100 mm. Okay, 50 to 100 mm. Pick up the correct statement. In a king post truss, the principal rafter and tie beam are jointed together with a bridle joint. The joint between principal rafter and king post is made by making tenon and mortise respectively. Joints between the strut and king post is generally of mortise and tenon type. So all the above are correct. The sum of trade and rise lie between 400 to 450 mm. Okay, the sum of trade and rise must be between 400 to 415 mm. In case of foundation on sandy soil, the maximum permissible differentiable settlement is usually limited to 25 mm in case of sandy soil. Okay, in soft clay of low bearing capacity, the maximum of steel pile generally used is screw pile. In soft clay of low bearing capacity, the type of steel pile generally used is screw pile. Gravels are cohesionless aggregates, vary in size between 2 to 20 mm, never swell when they come in contact with water. The differential settlement in case of foundation on sandy soil should not exceed 25 mm. Okay, 25 mm. An arch constructed with finely dressed stones is known as option A, ashlar arch. Okay, हमने types of arch देखा है दोस्तों. तो आप वहाँ पर डिस्क्रिप्टिव लेक्चर देख सकते हो। ओके, पिक अप द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग। लाइम मोटार विथ सीमेंट इन द रेशियो ऑफ 1:10 is cheaper and better for outside plaster. For very cold and very hot climate, a compact and closed plan should be provided. On the sea coast, an exposed and open house is generally preferred. So all the above are correct. Which holes are provided in retaining and breast wall? Option A, to drain off the water from filling. Okay friends, तो हमने अभी 100 क्वेश्चन कवर कर लिया है। होप आपको ये क्विक MCQ लेक्चर अच्छा लगा होगा। अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो हमारे लेक्चर को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, ठीक है। अगर आपकी कोई सजेशन है तो कमेंट कीजिएगा। ओके, और थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स।